Various methods are used for the purification of an organic compound, which is based on the nature of the compound and the impurities present in it. The common techniques used for the purification are sublimation, crystallization, distillation, chromatography. Today, I will demonstrate you one of the most commonly used technique for the purification of an organic compound, and that is crystallization. Aim of the experiment is purification of sample of benzoic acid by crystallization. Crystallization is a process of recovering the pure substance as a crystal in the solid state from its solution. The principle behind the crystallization is that the amount of solute that can be dissolved by a particular solvent increases with temperature. In crystallization, the impure substance is dissolved in a suitable solvent to reach its nearly saturated solution at a temperature higher than the room temperature. At high temperature, the solute has very high solubility in that solvent. So, a much smaller quantity of hot solvent is needed for the purification of solute than the solvent at room temperature. When the solution is cooled, the pure substance is crystallized out. The solution left behind is called mother liquor. All the impurities are left behind in the mother liquor. The purification method depends on the differences in solubility between the compound and the impurity. Materials required for the experiments are distilled water, glass funnel, measuring cylinder, beaker, china dish, sample of benzoic acid, filter paper, glass rod, spatula, a pair of tongs, tripod stand, wire gauze and a burner. Now, we will start the process of preparing solution. Let us take 30 ml of distilled water in a beaker. And prepare a saturated solution of benzoic acid sample at room temperature by adding small amount of benzoic acid sample with constant stirring. Stop adding the sample when it does not dissolve further. Now, we will boil this solution with the help of Bunsen burner. Heat it so that all the crystals are dissolved. Now, we will filter this saturated solution with the help of glass funnel and tripod stand, and some small cotton is inserted inside the funnel. So, it will help in the filtration process. Now, transfer the filtrate into a porcelain dish, so that insoluble impurities will be collected on the cotton and soluble impurities will be goes inside the filtrate. Keep the solution undisturbed for cooling. When the crystals are formed, remove the mother liquor by decantation. As you can see that crystals of benzoic acids are formed. Then we will wash the crystal with cold water. Now we will dry the crystals between the folds of filter paper. This will remove excess of water present in the crystal. Allow the crystals to dry at room temperature. As you can see, white needle shaped crystals of benzoic acid are formed. After drying, take the melting point of the crystals formed. If the compound has a sharp melting point, it means it is purified. The melting point of benzoic acid is 121 degree Celsius. We have obtained pure white needle shaped crystals of benzoic acid. Different steps involved in the crystallization are preparation of solution, filtration, evaporation, cooling, decantation, washing and finally drying. Precautions and sources of error. Number 1, the solution should be prepared by adding a small amount of the substance with constant stirring in hot water. Benzoic acid is slightly soluble in cold water. Number 2, while evaporating the solution or concentrating the solution, do not evaporate the entire solvent. Number 3, in case of benzoic acid, do not use alcohol to wash the crystals, as benzoic acid is slightly soluble in alcohol. Let us recap. Substance is dissolved in hot water, gets unsaturated solution, add more substance to get saturated solution, filter it, insoluble impurities on the filter paper, filtrate on evaporation to get saturated solution, which on cooling slowly excess of salt which is dissolved on heating comes out as crystals white color on cooling. Mother liquor is left with the substance which has higher solubility in the solvent. This is the entire crystallization process. I leave you here with a small exercise based on today's experiment. Number 1, how will you define saturated solution? Number 2, what do you understand by the term mother liquor? Number 3, what is meant by the term water of crystallization? So, learners, today you have learned about the purification process of benzoic acid sample by crystallization.